The county government of Baringo has promised motorcycle riders to sponsor them in getting licensed in a being introduced on Kenage, whereby youth drawn equally from the 6 sub-counties will be trained at Batek Driving School in order to enhance safety for the rider and the passenger. Speaking during handing over of interim licenses, Governor Stanley Kiptis and his administration are taking the initiative to support 600 riders every year.
Sababu ambao ililenga sisi tufanye kazi sana si wewe upate hiyo license. License ungepata hata kwa njia yako ingine. License. Lakini tupate mambo ya safety. Mambo ya safety. Ili wewe mwenyewe wakati unaendesha na ile confidence. Wewe unajua mwenye hana ile driving license ana nini? Hana confidence. Atakuwa na uoga na bana hajajua sana kama amejua.
He went further by saying through the training, the operators will get exact advice which will reduce incidents of border accidents. On the same, Governor Kiptis also called on members of parliament to support the initiative through their national government constituency development fund. According to Ms. Gladys Kiseku, the department's chief officer said that they were investing in the youth whose population in Baringo is 50%.
Ndio kama Baringo County, led by His Excellency the Governor, Stanley Kiptis, and our CC, we decided to take an initiative to safeguard our border riders. It is a safety initiative kuhakikisha ya kwamba hatutapoteza tena vijana wetu, hatutapoteza wamama wetu, baba zetu na pia watoto wetu.
Baringo North Border Patron Mr. Stanley Kipchekem called on the leaders to put their hands together and find a way to reduce unemployment among the youths in the county.
Hii maneno ya comprehensive insurance unatuletea sisi, tafadhali wacha ikae. Sisi ni wanyonge, pato sisi tunafanyia wadosi kazi na pesa ni kidogo. Hiyo maneno ya comprehensive.
The beneficiaries of the program thanked the county government for the gesture, requesting that they help them to upgrade the licenses to driving ones so that they can drive motor cars. Rodamgure, PTV, Baringo County.